I just got back from DTF Expo, where we won the inaugural DTF Printing T-shirt challenge. All right, that's enough of that. Getting all the stuff. And this is everything that happened there. Today is a very special day, and I'm gonna take you along with me. But first, check out my hoodie. Don't waste your time. I'm headed out to Arizona to be in a panel interview with DTFprinting.com, which is share everything that I learned in the past 2.5 years in DTF. Now I'm excited about that, but there's something else that I'm even more excited about. Fun times, fun times. But what really excites me about this trip is connections, which brings me to our first stop, DTF Superstore. So DTF Superstore is one of the more important companies that have helped us grow through our 3 years of DTF printing. And I was just lucky that we bought our first printers from them because their customer service is like really amazing. Here we go, going in. Ooh, look at that. That's nice right there. And this guy that we're meeting right now, this guy has been helping me out. Josiah? Hey man, Gerald. Oh, of course. Yes, of course. Josiah right here. We have been on the phone so many times, so many hours, like hours at a time, trying to figure out the printers because, you know, Chinese printers, right?
You gotta love them.
You gotta love them. I learned a lot through him, and I've saved a lot of money just because he's, you know, he's saving me through big issues that we had to work. 99%.
No.
This one is, yeah, this one has its own, like, was it gyro or? Yeah, it's supposed to be able to, there. Active track. No, I can just.
There you go. For vlogging, that's good enough, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, hey, now.
I'll see you, no, but I'll see you tomorrow or the day after, man.
Merch Studios, subscribe.
All right, DTF Superstore, subscribe. We're just doing the whole plug thing.
Cheers.
All right, man, I'll see you at connection number 1, which brings me to the next person that we're going to meet today. This person, I have known her for almost 20 years, but I haven't seen her since probably 2007, something like that. From back home in the Philippines, we started teaching together, and she's on her way to pick me up now, and we just wait a little bit. Oh, hey! We are going to Mekong Plaza.
It's the Asian business.
In the Asian district. All right, Jen, see you tomorrow.
All right.
All right, Ollie, bye, my man. See you tomorrow. Don't get a girlfriend. Your mom will cry. Jen, thank you. Me and I, we go way, way back. You know, we started our teaching professions at the same time in the same university. But I got to get into my hotel, so I'll see you in a bit. I think we're here. Time to go to bed. It is now 9:02 in the morning. The expo opens in an hour. It's time to get ready. Yep, in the right place. Here we go. Check this out, guys, from Sweet Printer Mike. Hey, that is that's nice, right? Feel like branded by Bean. Look at that. That's Mike's podcast. If y'all want to learn about printing and all that stuff, check out this podcast on YouTube. Right, B? Here's another view show right here. Here's my guy. Right, beats him. Yeah, with the YouTube, he's always like motivating me on YouTube.
Yeah, right. Where's the Super Mom?
Oh, the Super Moms are there, still printing today.
Oh, so you don't need to look at it. They got it.
They got it.
Super Mom's got it.
Yeah, they got it. They got it. Hi, how you doing? But what's your shows? Oh, thank you. How is the new shop coming? Thankfully coming along now. I haven't seen your last video. Yeah, it was horrible. Got that. Lots of cool stuff happening here right now. So many people. Guess what? There are 4 of us now.
DTF Printing Podcast panel with Jared Toledo, the one and only.
Tomorrow.
Before we even begun, thank God.
Tomorrow. Take care. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See, this is the good thing about hanging out with people with the same mindset, but different perspectives, you know? But I'll see you in the Airbnb just before I go to sleep, because I got to walk a little bit. Did that thing have a driver? Here's another one. Hi, how you doing? Are those cars driverless?
Yeah.
Crazy. Arizona, you are amazing. Here we are again. Here we are at the expo. Hi, how you doing? Hey, go ahead.
Meet this guy.
Try to do the whole YouTube thing. Y'all ready?
Do it.
Let's do it. I'm a little nervous. It's my first time doing the whole DTF panel.
I'm going to let you guys introduce yourselves.
Hi everyone, my name is Gerald. I own Merch Studio, which is a small garage-based DTF printing shop in Baytown, that's in the Houston area. We've been DTF printing for 3 years, almost 3 years now. Yeah, I've never taken a vacation more than 4 days just because I'm afraid. I'm just afraid. You too? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Shot glass.
That talk is done. How do we do, Mike?
The last time I met a Mike who was I said, dude, you're giving Mike's a bad name.
We are on the last part of the expo, which is the awarding for the t-shirt competition. I joined it just so I can see where we are compared to others in terms of print quality. So I'm not expecting to win. It would be great if we did, but I don't think so. But we'll see.
Got my head over water for the first time in years.
Some of these areas, you guys did just an absolutely amazing job. Everybody had their own thing to bring to the table with their prints that really is cool to see, in the sense that, you know, it's still so new to our industry, which is exciting. There's some really nice prints here, so thanks for the good effort.
Okay, well, I'm very excited to announce the first ever DTF Printing T-shirt contest winner, Gerald Toledo from Merch Studio.
Got it. Thank you.
That's
my cricket got it. I'm mind blown. No, you.
Jared Toledo's the man.
How's it going?
It's going.
You doing all right?
Yeah.
Congratulations. It's been great. Awesome. Woo! We did it, boys and girls. We did it.
Gerald,
Yeah.
what are you going to do now?
I'm going to Disney World. Building a business from scratch has been the most challenging thing I've done in my life. With no capital and no previous experience in digital printing, commercial t-shirt making, or social media marketing, we jumped into this adventure almost 3 years ago with nothing but hope and a lot of hunger to succeed. But it would be arrogant to say that we did it on our own, because we've had a lot of people help us and push us along the way. The people that you see in this video, they're just the tip of the iceberg. And I tell you, it has been a roller coaster ride. I can proudly say that we have come a long way. And this trophy, Merch Studio didn't win this. We, and by we, I mean you and Merch Studio, we won this award. So yeah, connections. This has been the most powerful thing we've made through this journey. Because in this world where we small business owners are competing against giants, the only way that we can grow together is if we go together. It is 5:12 in the morning. My flight doesn't leave until 4 p.m. Well, we got a little bit of time. And the DTF Expo is done. And you can go to Arizona without going to the Grand Canyon. He's my bodyguard, Black Beller. Right? Bodyguard Ollie.
I'm not your bodyguard. If you want me to be your bodyguard, you have to think about paying.
That was a short visit to the Grand Canyon. Amazing, amazing place. Really unreal. Ollie.
Yeah.
Next, we're headed to
Sedona.
Sedona. So we're here, but we didn't go to. Ollie, what was the place you were gonna go to? Sedona. We were gonna go to Sedona, but we didn't have time, so we are now at Terminal 3 and the airport. So I'm on my way home. Perfect timing. All right, then.
Safe flight, Juliet, and thank you.
No, thank you. It was fun. It was productive. I got to see a whole bunch of stuff. Ollie, just bro, follow me on TikTok and YouTube and Instagram.
We already did the YouTube.
All right, bye guys. Thank you.
All right, Charlie, come on, let's go.
I want to take the dog with me. I am now heading in. I will see you at home. And that is how this happens.